Hey friends, happy Fatwood Friday. So today I'm going to try something a little different. My EDC, my Victorinox Swiss Army knife. It's a Field Master. I put the belt clip on it, and we're going to use the ferro rod out of it. Company Firefly ferro rods. You can find them on Amazon. You pull the toothpick out, and then that little ferro rod slides right down in there. So the other thing I want to do, so I saw this ferro rod on Felix Lemler. He's from, I think, Sweden, Switzerland. He does a whole bunch of videos on YouTube on the Victorinox Swiss Army knife. Okay, so, but also today I'm gonna do a Michael Bruner did a video not too long ago. He was looking at making some little fire kits. So these are what I put in my fire kits. It's a straw that I take I just take a multi-tool, pinch that straw, hit it with a Bic lighter, it'll melt. Then I take cotton ball and Vaseline, stuff in it, pinch it again, and melt it with a lighter. So now I have a waterproof fire starter. And then all you have to do is cut the end off. As I say, these are usually in my, well, they're in my fire kits in my canoe. Then just squeeze it out. Probably don't need to be as big as these. Fluff this thing up. I got some fat wood here too because it is Fatwood Friday. Pull out my Firefly ferro rod. I'm going to use the back of the saw on my knife to spark it. There you go. So that's my Fatwood Friday today. Hope everybody has a great week, great weekend. Make sure you go check out Felix and Michael Bruner. Check them out. And Michael, I guess if you got any questions on that, it's pretty simple. It works really good. I had a gas station I used to stop at and get I get a fountain soda every day, and I just save the straws. But you can actually get I don't know, boba tea, some coffee drink things. They've got really big straws, so you can make some even bigger fire starters. But these, to me, work plenty good. Like I said, they're dry. It's easy to sit down and make a bunch of them in no time. So the ice is going. I think 72 is the high for tomorrow, so the ice will be just about gone by then when we can get the boat out. I got the registration stuff all done, just waiting on the new stickers to come in the mail. No, I think I'm gonna try for Monday. I'm gonna try to go back in the woods here and get the trail camera set up so I can hopefully get some video of the beaver. But I don't know. We'll see. Right now I'm going to get done with this video. I'm gonna go out and I have to work on my car. Air conditioning actuator up under the dash isn't working, and I'm getting ready to go to North Carolina. I'm probably gonna need some air conditioning. So I got the new part. I'm gonna go put that in. Come here, Nick. Come here. Nick ran off yesterday. He went in and got a new haircut. He's looking good, huh? I think he's a little cold though. Got that shaggy dew off. All right, everybody have a great week, and we'll see you Monday. Thanks for watching.